here's how you can master ChatGPT and then use it for something profitable, and that is pretty much very cool. Let's check out how we do it. So you're going to go to this website right here, openai.com right here, in case you are new to ChatGPT, and then you're going to scroll down and then you come to this side and then tap on try ChatGPT, and it's going to take you to this page right here after you've logged in with your Google email or any other email you feel you want to use. So after you are done, you're going to see the interface like this, and this is a bit limited, and if you are new, you can just use this without getting the in-depth tool or in-depth way I want to share with you how you're going to get everything made up for you. And all you need to do is you are going to put in your prompt and it's going to share with you everything. Some of the prompts you are going to put in, the other thing I'm going to share with you will not work over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to tap on this side right here, or you search for extensions in your browser. Use a Chrome browser, that is what I'm using. So you search for extensions and then you're going to tap on this side, manage extensions, and then you come to this side right here and then you go to your Chrome store. If you know how you're going to be able to go to your Chrome store directly too, you can just do so, and that is pretty much very cool. So you type in AIPRM for ChatGPT, this one right here, that is it. You tap on it and then you're going to get this one right here, and then you add the extension. You already see I have this extension right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just manage the extension and then turn it on for me to be able to show you what I want to do. So this is the extension right here, and I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT and I'm going to refresh the page, and you can see this interface here. It's actually going to change right away. So when I refresh the page, it's going to ask me if I want to use the AIPRM, and that is it right here. So you can see ChatGPT is now different right now. And what you are going to see, which is really mind-blowing, is when I tap on all right here, you can see all the prompts you can actually initiate on this AI extension I'm showing you. You can see right here 2,411 prompts, and day in day out they keep adding new prompts, and that is really mind-blowing. So I'm actually going to do a separate video to show you what all the prompts has in that video too, but in this one I'm just going to show you a few. You have copyright right here, so in case you are the type who do copywriting, you can do this one right here, or you can pick this prompt right here, and it's actually going to share everything with you, or when you put in anything, it is going to help you. So with this one right here, that is one of the dopest I've really liked so far. And with this one right here, you can put in any prompt of an article and then it's actually going to do it for you. And there is one you can just copy a link of an article, and when you copy the link of the article, it will actually rewrite the article for you without even adding any word of the article you actually copied, and that is really cool. So in case you want to just get a video script for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, you can tap on this one right here, put in your title right here. Okay, so put in something like Android apps, and it's actually going to just do it for you. It will do everything for you. You put in your Android apps and it will give you the intro. It will give you everything step by step, how you are supposed to do the video or how you are supposed to do anything. So this AI extension right here is actually very dope. In case you've not tried it, just try it out, and also give me a follow if you find this video very helpful, so that you don't miss other updates or other AI updates I'm actually going to bring to you. In case you want to just get a new page for it, you can just tap on this side and it will bring you to the new page, and that is really helpful. So if you found value in this video, just like it up, and also don't forget to check my other videos I created on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is actually going to blow your mind. And you can check this video right here in case you missed my previous video, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.